Hi friends, Bill here with an up-close review of the Phopik Tripod. We're going to make this quick and simple. When this thing arrives, it comes in a very handy carrying pouch. But inside this pouch is a lot of versatility and a very durable build in the Phopik Tripod, which also converts into a monopod. So take a quick tour of it here. First of all, we're going to unfold just down to the first level, each of these legs, so you can get them up on the table and get a little look at how this stuff all comes together. I'm a tall guy, I'm about 6'5". When this is on the floor and fully extended, I can take it up to 8 feet, which is really nice because I can't stand it when cameras are down so low that I'm looking down into them. The versatility is immense. First of all, each of the legs can extend to 3 different angles. You can keep it up here flat, click it down one more, or click it all the way down to probably the most common use, which is the solid base. The legs extend out forever and ever. For the purposes of our review video, we'll keep them pretty short. We have adjustability right here in the main trunk, go up and down. We have another extender here that allows this stem to come right up out of here and go up even higher. Then, when you're up here into the tripod head, you want smooth setup and you want smooth movement, although you're probably not doing a lot of on-camera movement. This little knob allows you to do the rotation. And then the thicker knob over here is your tilt. So we can move this really in 360 degrees any way we want it to go. Of course, you have the mount for your camera, which is very simple. Slides right out here. Then you've got your traditional tripod thread. There's even a level bubble here in the top to make sure that your shot isn't running uphill or downhill. Now, one of the really cool features is located in one of the legs. I don't know how often you're out and about, maybe you're hiking and you don't want to take the whole tripod with you. Well, we also have the opportunity here to convert everything into a monopod, have this all extend up, and now with your camera mount on the top of it, you've got a little bit more versatility without the heft of carrying around the full Phopik tripod. We've got 3 of these here in our studio because they're absolutely essential to everything that we do. Can't get enough of them. They're a great value, really, really sturdy, highly recommended, the tripod from Phopik.